Okay, everybody, the second part of this problem is telling us that we need to, or part B, that we need to journalize the adjusted entries, entries at July 1st on 31st on the books for Cumberland Company. So to be able to adjust our books, there's a couple things we need to do. First of all, we need to make journal entries relating to the note that we collected. If you remember, and we'll look up here, the note that we collected, or that was collected for us, was for $2,126. So we need to put that in our journal as cash. And we need to debit cash for that amount of $2,126. And then to make that balance, we need to credit notes receivable, or accounts receivable. It's notes receivable is how it's listed in here. And that'll come as a credit, again, to balance out our journal entries. And then secondly, we need to record the service charge that happened as well. So we'll put that bank service charge in here. And if we recall, that bank service charge up here was on line number 2 for $42. So we need to record that in here. But first we need to put this in. Actually, it's recorded in there as miscellaneous expense, like this. And I'm not sure why my machine doesn't seem to self-populate, but so we put that in as miscellaneous expense, and that's for $42. And then that, to get that to balance out, we need to put that in as cash on the credit side for $42. And that should be exactly what we need to do. Oh. Well, let's go back here, and again, my machine doesn't seem to be populating as it's supposed to be. So I have to type everything in correctly. Same as this has to be, everything has to be capitalized. Or if I make any errors in typing as well, I hope yours works a little bit better than this. And then we'll resubmit the answer. Well, those are the correct placements for it, I know that. So we'll just go with that. I'll make the corrections on my own. Thanks, everybody.